Within the very latest version of GuardPointPro, we have a new module called Video Plus, and this creates a greater link between your access events and alarm events to video cameras. Within the old CCTV integration, what we did is we created an icon next to the transaction where you could launch the video. But with the new Video Plus, we have a whole new interface. This is divided up between your log at the top, your canvas just below. You have a tree diagram which you build to link your cameras to readers or link your cameras to inputs, which you can close and open and put into different sections. And you have the controls on the right hand side. This, if you have a look at the canvas can be divided up into different amounts, 16, 9 and 4, and we can drag our events from our log. You can see some events, so if you see what I was doing at 10:48. The canvas can show both recorded footage and live footage at the same time. So this is a recorded footage, and we'll bring in the live footage. We can see me talking now. If I have a look at the live footage, I can take a snapshot of myself. I can also put the camera into playback mode, and this allows me to use these controls to rewind. So that's me talking backwards, and then I can take a snapshot, and that saves a bitmap picture of that of the camera. If I put it back into live, I can also go to recorded footage. So that's what I was doing at 10:22. As the camera is linked to the reader, I can open the door, and I can also close the door. So you have a separate screen for the access events as you do to the alarm events. So you've got one for the alarm events. Your start of alarms would appear in the log, and again you do it exactly the same. You can drag them in. If the input is linked to a camera, I have got a reader here. Whenever I present my card, that will actually bring up a pop-up into my canvas, and it'll have different colour messages at the bottom of whether it's granted or denied, and it'll also show the photo stored of myself in the database, so I can then use it for visual verification. You know, am I that person? From the graphics module, if I bring this to one side, I can also double click on the cameras around my map to bring them up in my canvas. I can keep clicking on that. So I could click on different cameras and bring them all up into my canvas, which could be displayed on a different monitor. The alarm events as well, I'll just set off the alarm. Again, I've got my alarm events here, and I can see the alarm event, and if I had a camera linked to it, I'll be able to show the footage. The Video Plus currently it needs to sit on top of the Milestone recording software, so it's basically a Milestone video recorder that sits on your computer, and that works with all the versions of Milestone. In the future, this will be expanded to other software platforms that manage recorded footage.